In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Hyperx wireless headset to Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a Hyperx wireless headset and connect it to your Xbox Series S. So for you to do this, first check compatibility. Ensure that your HyperX headset is compatible with the Xbox Series S. Most modern wireless headsets should work, but you can check the product specifications to be sure. Next, power on both your HyperX headset and the Xbox Series S. Now, to actually pair it up, on the Xbox Series S settings, go over to the settings, devices, and choose Bluetooth. Now, put your headset in pairing mode. You might have to consult your headset's manual for specific instructions on how to put it into pairing mode because this is going to differ for every single model, but usually this is going to involve pressing and holding a specific button on the headset for a few seconds. Once this is done, the headset should enter pairing mode, and if you look over on your Xbox Series S screen, you should be able to detect the headset when it is in pairing mode. Now, if you went over to Settings, Devices, and Bluetooth, choose it from the list of devices available, and once paired, test the audio. You can join a game, a call, or watch a video, and adjust the volume and other settings on both the headset and the console as needed. Ensure that your headset is fully charged before pairing, and be aware of the range. Wireless headsets have a limited range. Make sure that you are within the optimal range for a stable connection, and if you are experiencing issues, I recommend restarting the console and turning your headset off and then on again into pairing mode. Once it is detected, it should work flawlessly from the get-go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect HyperX wireless headset to Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.